rabbit food in this economy? I don't think so. Good evening, everyone. Today I have another vegetarian special. This one is called spiced carrot and lentil soup. I actually found lentils at the store for once. They also had split peas, so maybe someday I can make that split pea recipe that I was thinking about doing however long ago. So you can see this one is, I wouldn't necessarily call this a tour of the world one, but I think it's like Indian style because it uses Garam Masala again, so I get to break out my homemade Garam Masala mix that you saw from that, which one did I make? The butter chicken recipe. So yeah, we are also not using the slow cooker this time. We are going to make this soup traditionally. So with that being said, before I forget, our total cost is $20.89, so not even that bad for all of this. I'm also adapting a little bit from another recipe. One wants you to cut it with milk, and I thought that would be really good to make it a little bit creamy, so I'm gonna add that in. This isn't actually part of this recipe, but easy. Yeah. Also, I'm showcasing my Forbidden Con t-shirt that I got. You can see I got telephone signature and DJ Rekka on it. Yay! Okay, so with that being said, let's go ahead and face off with the onions again. Ugh. Now you may be wondering, why am I having Texas toast on the side of an Indian soup recipe? And the answer is, I don't know, but I wanted Texas toast. Ah! Vegetables. Well, now that we have everything cut up, we got our cilantro stems and leaves separated. So I got these ready for cooking, and then the leaves we actually top later. So, with that being said, I guess let's start cooking. So at this point, we heat it up to a boil and then bring it down to a simmer, cover it, and cook it for about 30 minutes. A few things to note while that's going, as usual. Diced tomatoes and green chilies, because that's always better than just opting for the tomatoes. They also didn't have any vegetable stock at the store. So I just got vegetable broth instead, which who knows what the difference is between those two. They also didn't have any red lentils. I used whatever kind this is, I don't even know. Brown lentils, green lentils, who knows, whatever. So yeah, cook and serve. And with that, I will see you soon. Ah. And it's done. So what actually happened was I made sure to check the lentils first, and they weren't really done, so I had to cook it for like an extra 25 minutes, probably because my pot is kind of larger than the recipe, so I don't know, it took longer. But at this point, we need to blend it up, and I'm going to do this the same way that I did for the tomato soup. I'm going to blend half of it and leave the rest as is, because that way it's not just all puree essentially. So I'll go ahead and do that. I really need to show you how to blend soup stuff. So we'll do that, and then we add in our toppings. So with this, I will see you in a second. So there it is post puree. Kind of changed consistency. So let's go ahead and put our bowl together. And here we have our finished product. I tried to toast the pita bread, but it was very soft, so it kept falling over. Also, they didn't have any naan bread at the store, so that's why I got pita bread. But I got that. We got my garlic toast. Hey, who took a bite out of my garlic toast? And then we have our other toppings. So it looks pretty good. I'm excited to try this. Feel free to try it out. Do whatever you want. You know, the usual stuff. Adjust it. Let me know how it goes for you. Thanks for watching. So yeah, this one turned out well. It was a little hard to cook, like I said, because my pot was a lot larger than theirs. So I think you just need to check the carrots and the lentils to make sure they are soft and cooked completely. Other than that, I think this one turned out pretty well, so feel free to try it out.